Hey guys, how's it going? How to check for unknown part on iPhone. If you have unknown part on your iPhone and you want to identify it, here's some steps you can take. First of all, visual inspection. Examine the part closely for any labels or numbers that could give you a clue about its function or origin. Online search. Use a search engine to look up any part or numbers or keywords related to the part. Include iPhone in your search for accurate results. Consult iPhone repair guides. Websites like iFixed. Let me type right here. iFixed, right? Provide detailed guides and diagrams of iPhone components and repairs. You can cross reference your part with what's found in these guides. Visit forums such as Reddit, right, to basically or Mac Rumors or specialized iPhone repair forums where experienced DIYers and technicians can help identify the part. And if you are unable to identify the part yourself, take it to a professional repair shop. They can often quickly recognize the component and inform you of its function. And apps designed for repair technicians may help you identify parts through images or descriptions. And if you have access to different models of iPhones, compare your known part with components from those models to see if they match. If you need more specific advice or assistance, please provide more context about the part in question. So let's read on the comments of this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for